Happy Vlogmas.
It's Vlogmas.
Vlogmas.
Do you know what Vlogmas is?
No.
You're doing 24 days of videos for the holiday season.
So it's like the Advent calendar, but with vlogging?
Yes.
Welcome to Demon's Garage. Happy Vlogmas.
It's still Vlogmas.
Is that what I said?
No.
I said Vlogmas.
So what are you doing?
Doing the brakes on your car before I go to work. Because maintenance and stuff. So I'm going to try to do 24 videos of this. Seems like a lot, I know. I don't always get to work on stuff in a nice, warm, heated shop. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So if you want to see more me struggling with things and trying to make it through 24 days of this, like, subscribe, share, comment, continue on.